Hello friends, 2 days ago I ordered a room heater from Amazon and today it come to my house via DHL. So I ordered 1500 watt DREO 1 plus room heater. The company name is DREO. So since it's very cold winter in Germany, so my room heater, the built-in one, is not enough, so that's why I ordered one extra for my room. So let's open the box. As you can see, it's as I told already that it's the brand name is DREO and it's fully uh, remote controlled, and also it has one lithium battery, so I can carry it, and if I do any camping in outdoor also I can charge it up with the battery and I can carry it as a portable room heater to outdoor. Okay, so this is the main box. Let's open it. So as usual, every electronics product, when we open the box, at first we get some quick start guide or user manuals. So here is the documentation for it, and here is the main box. Okay, and nothing so much inside the box. Okay, so this is the main thing what I am looking for, and this is the AC power cord. the remote controller and another user manual. I think it's a very good power cord. So one more packet to unwrap. It's a German brand, DREO, but it's manufactured in China. As we always know that all the electronics product made in China, but it's a German brand and German design R&D. Here we can see the small technical specifications. You can see, as I told already, it's 1500 watt and it's a CE and UKCA certification, so it's approved by the UK and European Union government, the standard organizations, to use in Europe. So this is the main product and it looks wow. One word I can say, wow. It's a matte finish silver coated, yeah, it's a matte finish silver coated grill in front of the heating panel, and we can see here the brand logo and the top bezel. It's also, it's feel like metal, and on top here we can see some manual input modules. So if you don't want to use the remote controller, or if you forget this remote unit, then you can control your heater from here. And in the back, this is the power suction, the air suction unit in the back, and then the heater inside, and then it's throw the heated air to the front to spread in the room. And it also, you can see it can also movable, it oscillating up to 70 degrees the oscillation power has. So I'm decided to put it on my chest of drawers. Let's put it here and let's I think we can't. I think we can't do here. Maybe we can try it out. Yes. So let's try on. Yes. So it's not a hard mechanical button, it's a touch panel, touch button. And yeah, I can feel it's a very hot word, hot. Yeah, high, high 2, high 3, high 1. Yeah, so it's a increase and decrease both. We have to increase and decrease the air hotness. And this is the eco mode to consume power, and also it can oscillate. You can see that it's now oscillating. And this is also the timer, and this is the temperature, the room temperature it will show right now. So that's it. Bye for today. See you in a new video. Bye.